Welcome. In this video today, I'm going to be showing you how to use the Mighty Sites platform to build a website for your party store. Now, if you've just stumbled across this video randomly and you're unfamiliar with the Mighty Sites service, Mighty Sites is the easiest way to launch a one-page website for your party store. It's only going to cost you $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. So click on the link below this video, sign up for the free trial, and give it a go. Once you've joined the platform, it's going to go ahead and ask you to search for your market. There are hundreds of different markets to choose from for different small businesses, solopreneurs, and people with side hustles. So I'm now going to head to the top and search for my market, party store, and there it is. That looks very fun. So I'm now going to select that option. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites a few basic details about our party store so I can generate a one-page website for us. I'm now going to put in my company name, Rochelle Celebration Central. That actually sounds really cool. Now I'm going to put in our city and our state or region. Now it doesn't matter where in the world you're located, you can use the multi-site service. We have happy customers from all around the globe. Let's go ahead and change the type of business to retail and click on continue. Great. Let's tell Mighty Sites how our customers can get in touch with us. Let's go ahead and put in our phone number and our email address. Let's move along. Okay, where is our party store located? I'm going to put in our street address and our postal code. Let's click continue. Great. What time do we open on a Monday? I'm going to say we open from 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. We also open on a Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and a Sunday, 7 days a week for convenience. Let's click on continue. Let's do a quick review, make sure everything's in order, and click on next because everything looks pretty good to me. If you need to make amendments, head to updates, hours, and location. And look at that, Mighty Sites has literally generated a one-page website for my party supply store in literally less than a minute. Let's take a closer look. Now, the beauty of Mighty Sites is we've pre-written all the content for you. We've pre-selected all the images, and you can see they're all really high quality and they're completely free to use. No licenses needed. However, if you need to make amendments, you've got your own images, and perhaps you want to make one or two changes to the content that's been pre-written for you, you can absolutely do that, and you don't need to know any coding whatsoever. You don't need to hire a web developer. You don't need to be a web developer yourself. In fact, you don't need to be super tech savvy to use the service at all. It was designed to make websites as easy as possible for small businesses. So I'm going to work my way through from the top to the bottom through each section, just so you can have a little bit of a look and feel of how easy it is to use Mighty Sites. So I'm going to start my way from the top and click on update section. Let's make sure we click on show email and site. So our email address is displayed in the top right hand corner next to our phone number. By the way, that phone number is click to call. Email address as well. When your customers click on it, it will automatically take them to Google Maps to get directions to your party store. Let's click on save and head to update social links. Over here, you can put in your social media accounts, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, YouTube, and Facebook as well. And the icons will be displayed here in the top right-hand corner over there. Awesome. Let's move along. On to the next section. I'm now going to click on update logo. Now, if you don't have a logo yet, I do recommend you check out canva.com. There are some really great free options on there. If you do have a logo though, let's go ahead and browse from a device and upload it. Awesome. Let's click save. Awesome, that looks really great. We can make it bigger and smaller to suit our needs. I'm going to leave it like that. Click on save and move along. Now, perhaps the colors used throughout your Mighty Sites page, this purple, very bright, bold, stands out. Perhaps it doesn't work for your logo, it doesn't match your logo and the branding used throughout your party store. You don't need to know any color coding to change it. All you need to do is click on the paint bucket and go through the various different color options available. So I want something, let's take a look at that one. That also looks really great. Let me try a few more options. Okay, so I'm going to select this one, and as you can see, it's now used throughout my Mighty Sites page and it looks really great. Awesome, let's move along. As I said, images pre-selected, content pre-written to make your life as easy as possible when it comes to launching a one-page website for your party store. Now, if you need to make the changes, head to update section and head to update image. Over here, you can browse from your device, otherwise search the photo library. There are hundreds of different images to choose from. Multi-sites will automatically search for party store, but I do recommend that you play around with the terms a little bit. So let's put in party and see what pops up. Awesome. So these look all really suitable. I think this is absolutely amazing. Very suitable. So I'm going to select that option, select that photo, and save my image selection. And look at that. That looks way suitable for a party store. Looks like the celebration is on. I think it looks stunning, so I'm actually leaving it like that. I'm now going to hit to update content and over here change the title and subtitle to suit your needs. Button can link to various places. So I'm going to go ahead and change this to get in touch instead of directions. I'm going to choose the link. We can link to another website. We can also link to an action like click to call, direction. So I'm putting it as click to call for this one. But one of my favorite options is to upload a PDF file. So perhaps you have a PDF file with all your latest inventory in your stock, your latest promotions, specials, deals, whatever you want to call it. Pop it in a PDF file and upload it. So when your customers click on that button, it will automatically take them to their PDF file. So I'm going to go ahead and save that and move on. Look at that. That looks stunning. On to the next section over here. Pre-written content button can link to various places. If you want to make the changes, head to update section over there. Over here, we've made our way onto the About Us section. Over here, you can put a little bit more details of how your party store came to be, how you got into the industry, what different party supplies you offer, how often you update your stock. Do you follow trends? Go ahead and put all the details over here. Your customers would love to hear your story and how your business came to be. Over here, another great spot for a high quality image. I think that's really suitable, so I'm leaving it as is. But if you need to make the changes, head to update section. Over here, this one is really suitable as well. It really goes with my image at the top. Have quite a theme going over here. So I'm actually leaving that. It looks stunning. If you need to make the changes, head to update section. Remember, all these images from the photo library, they are free to use, license free. Only thing you're going to be paying for your Mighty Sites page is $9 a month, but there is that free trial available for 7 days. So sign up for it. You've got nothing to lose. See how it works for you and your small business. Over here, we've made our way into the next section. Over here, we can update the content and the images to suit our needs. Over here, again, make the changes to those hours if you need to, or the address, and the button can link to various places. So look at that. I've literally made my way through this website in less than 10 minutes. I didn't need to know any coding. I didn't need to hire a web developer. I'm not super tech savvy myself, and this was an absolute breeze. It's amazing. I'm very happy with this website. Sign up for that free trial. It's only for 7 days, and you don't even need to put your credit card details in like most other online services. I hope this tutorial was helpful in building a website for your party store. Really wishing you and your business mighty success. And if you have any features you'd like to see in future, any suggestions, comment below and let us know. We'd love to hear your feedback. Don't forget the thumbs up for this video as well so more people can hear about the Mighty Sites service.